Okay, so we painted our background paper last week. We are ready to do our real deal jellyfish. We practiced our jellyfish last week. We are ready to do our real deal jellyfish. Okay, you will have two different color chalks today. You will have white and you will have dark blue to create the shadows. You will also have oil pastels for some of the tentacles. All right, so here we go. The very first thing you're going to do is you're going to get your white chalk. You're going to come to the top of the paper. And remember, we're just going to do that rainbow. That little rainbow from side to side. This makes sure that I'm going to make him big enough because I don't want a little tiny jellyfish. I want to make sure he's big enough. This is going to be the biggest part of him. So we want his body kind of big. Okay, now we're going to add that smiley face. So that's about the shape you're looking for. Just a small little smiley face. Okay, so now I am going to do that oval. Remember the oval? To make him look three-dimensional, we're going to do that really shallow oval. And I'm going to go ahead and fill in the center with white. All right, perfect. And I'm going to go ahead and blend. You go ahead and take your finger, and I'm going to go ahead and blend around the jellyfish too, because in the water he's going to seem a little fuzzy. Because remember we talked about him being transparent or translucent, which just means you can see through it. Okay. Now I'm going to work on those shadows. I am going to very gently color the sides of that oval. I'll come over here and I'm just going to color the sides right up to the top of the oval, and then I am actually going to place a ring around the top. Now I want you to watch because I'm going to create these shadows just by using my finger. So first of all, I'm going to blend around the jellyfish, and with that very dirty finger that has all that blue or turquoise on it, I'm just going to curve some line or go straight up. I'm just going to go straight up with it. I don't know if you can hardly see, but do you see how I created some beautiful little shadows up in my jellyfish? If you need to put a little more down, can't quite see it, and do that, you can. Perfect. All right, so now I'm going to just create some little tentacles, some white ones, and you want them to kind of go all the way down to almost the bottom of the page. And I actually press a little harder, and then I get a little bit lighter as I go to the bottom because they're kind of really thin at the bottom. So I'm going to do just a few of the white. Okay, because these are the ones that's going to appear kind of off in the distance. And I'm going to blend those out. I'm almost done with my chalk. Then I'm going to pick up my oil pastel. All right. And remember we saw where jellyfish kind of had their little tentacles in here. If you want to kind of go around the oval like this, you can. Just a couple up at the top of the oval. Oops, that's okay. My finger was a little dirty. That's okay. And I'm going to blend them out. This is important. Make sure your tentacles, whenever I saw you practice, I noticed a lot of your tentacles, you would just put them right here at the back of the jellyfish. Make sure they're in the oval. This is where all of the little tentacles come out. Now you get to pick your two favorite fluorescent colors, no more than two. I think I'm going to do purple and this really pretty pink color. Now I'm going to go in my oval and I'm just going to create some beautiful little tentacles. Now some of you may only want one color, and that's okay too. The purple and the pink are kind of similar. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to press a little harder up here, but then I'm going to let off and I'm going to gently press as I get to the bottom, and that's going to give me that look like they're stringy at the bottom. Okay. Now remember, we also wanted to add some jellyfish, like they were going off into the distance. And remember to do that. You just do your circle. You do a shadow at the bottom with your dark blue, and you blend. And I think I'm going to put one here, just to kind of balance it out. Don't put more than about 4 of these. You probably don't want more than about 4, because then it'll take away from your emphasis, your main thing in your picture, which would be your jellyfish, and you don't want to take away from that. You just kind of want them off in the background, just to add a little background, and I like that. All right, when you are done, you will get a wipe. You will clean your hands, put all your chalks, your pastels back, and you may get the drawing tub from under the tables, and you may draw from the drawing tub. Okay, have fun.